So guys, I got everything out, removed at the bottom of the fridge, and this is how it's looking right now. It's so disgusting, so dirty, guys. But we're gonna tackle this and get this clean today, as well as organize the freezer part. I'm just showing you guys, you know, all the little, just so dirty. I still got tape on it because it was a new fridge that we got. It was the only fridge that it had available.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a million. Oh yeah, and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love, your love, give me all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good
Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Going to Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got Spanish, excuse my manners, I got Spanish, I got status, you want steady, see more comments, and I see commas, nigga went down me, we going down there, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit of Donda, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and pitch, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, it's a screenshot, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting tense up, think we need to have a sun adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even front like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
I'm outside in it.
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
I got it all done. The fridge, I got everything in the fridge. It's organized and neat. All the condiments and waters, juices, milks. I gotta get more milk and coffee. Eggs, sandwich meat, okra, and strawberries at the back. So I gotta put it in the container. I'm gonna put it down here, and all the leftovers on this side. And this is just rice and broccoli. Yep. This is the stuff that I have to throw away, guys. It got old, as you can see. It got old. So I'll be going shopping soon, probably this weekend. From now on, I think I'm not going to get too much of this stuff. I think I've actually bought things this time. Because my meals changed a lot, so a lot of things just got old. And the kids were eating all the grape stuff, but this is what we had left. So these are my peppers. They're soft now. And this was the blueberries and strawberries. That's what I put the blueberries and strawberries in. And the kids would eat that up too, so yep. So all that's being thrown away. Along with, I put the rice in container, broccoli in container. This is all stuff that was in the fridge. See, leftovers. Leftovers, guys. All these leftovers. Yuck. So all that got cleaned out. I have to wash these pots. The pots I took the stuff out of and throw that away. But I'm about to start the freezer so I can hurry and get that part done. As for the freezer, I'm just gonna take everything out and organize it back in there.
You see me do me da 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 da. So me about that work. Da 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 da. When you walk out, na. Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to.
So this is everything that was in the freezer, guys. Oh my god. And look how it looks in here. I didn't realize how bad it was. This is frozen ice, guys. Okay. I'm gonna take this out and wash that off. And get this cleaned up.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need
The ice came off pretty easy, guys. See that little peak right here. But it's coming off pretty easy. It's actually not that bad. A little ice.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but
like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turn to soil, and I grew up.
And with that being said, guys, freezer is done as well. Camera about to die, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. I got everything stored in the freezer with the vegetables, fruits, meats. I took the thing out the box because it's easier to put it in the freezer and store things in the fridge. Everything comes out the containers because it's easier to store. Like, see, biscuits, sausages, bacon, all that. I haven't took these out yet, but we'll be able to do that soon. But with that being said, guys, everything is done.
No! Oh, my thing!
Hope you enjoyed the video, guys.
No! No! No!
You know that it's something when I sing about